Hello friends, to make tur curry or Turichya Ghugrya as they call in Marathi, you will need to soak dried tur beans overnight in water. The next morning they look like this. I soaked about 1 to 1.5 cups of tur beans in water. I'll be showing you the Maharashtrian way of cooking these whole dried tur beans using minimal spices. To start off, we will need to boil these soaked whole tur beans in a pressure cooker until 4 whistles are done. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can boil these on a high flame for up to 40 minutes until they are soft. Here I have transferred the beans into the pressure cooker with twice as much water as the quantity of beans. Put the pressure cooker on the hob on a high flame and wait until the water comes to a boil. As soon as the water comes to the boil, put the lid on. This way, you will save your energy bills and speed up the cooking process. Wait until 4 whistles, then put the cooker away and switch off the flame. Once the pressure is released from the cooker, you can open the lid. I had also added salt at the time of boiling the beans. You can also add salt at this stage as per your taste. Check the beans. They should be neither too mushy nor too hard. In a bowl, add about 2 tablespoons of ground roasted peanut powder. I make this ground roasted peanut powder in bulk and store it in a jar as it's frequently used in Maharashtrian cuisine. I further add about 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. You can adjust the chilli powder as per your taste and mix it all well. I made this garlic paste by hand pounding about 5 cloves of garlic in pestle and mortar. I now add this paste into the mixture as well. Mix it all well using your hands to make a lovely masala of peanut powder, red chili powder and garlic paste. Now let's cook this masala. Keep a deep bottomed pan on a medium flame. Add some vegetable oil once the pan is hot. I have taken about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Now add in the masala and stir it well with a spatula until it's slightly cooked. Now pour the boiled tur beans slowly into the pan. Also add water from the pressure cooker to make it slightly runny. Adjust the water content according to taste. Here I used up all the remaining water from the boiled beans. Traditionally, this curry is meant to be on the runny or soupy side, as it is often had with Maharashtrian millet flatbreads, popularly known as bhakris. Turn the heat up and bring to a boil with the lid on. Check after 2-3 minutes and you'll see the whole tur curry is ready. Taste for seasoning and boil to a gentle simmer for few more minutes. And there, your Turichya Ghugrya or whole tur curry is ready to be served. Thank you for watching this video. Do give us a thumbs up if you like this and subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button down below. Oh, and I'd love to hear how you got on with this recipe. Write in the comments below if you have any questions and I'll try my best to answer them. Bye-bye.